All right, now I'm going to show the place that you're going to anchor. Now it's going to be this knuckle right here. It's going to go right back here because it's a little bit different depending on what you're doing. How this hand position goes does not matter, as if you have your 3 points of contact the same. It doesn't matter on your face where it's at. So we're going to hook up here, go through my process of gripping here, and draw back. Get my kisser button, my nose, and my peep lined up where it needs to be. Now you notice where this hand is at. It's right there. So now when I get ready to shoot, I can put this over here. Okay? Okay, now where are you going to anchor in your face? We're going to start off this time with the handheld release. It's going to be a little bit different. But because I have a kisser button and my tip of my nose and the peep, all those line up. This doesn't matter where you anchor on your face. If you want to have a little different anchor, you'll have to change some of this stuff. So I'm going to go through my shot process, draw back. Now, put the kisser button, if you're using the kisser button, tip of my nose is on the string, and I'm seeing through the peep. Now, because my natural position here, that target's a little bit high, I have to bend back a little bit. And now, you notice where this is at? I'm using my ring-fingered anchor right at the back of my jaw, right below my ear. That is where you're going to anchor this one.